Good day, ma'am. I am Ayan Dexter Carbakil Hinabi, 19 years old. Welcome to my presentation of CRY 121. Law Enforcement Pillar. The Philippine criminal justice system, it composed of 5 pillars, namely law enforcement, prosecution, judiciary, penology, and the community. The law enforcement. Law enforcement is the first pillar of Philippine criminal justice system, and it consists of patrolling to supervise conduct, investigating to identify offenders and or recover stolen or missing property, warning or arresting those who are probably guilty of criminal behavior, and assisting in the prosecution and trial of offenders. Police patrolling strategy. It's anything but a feeling that all is well with the world, for forestalling wrongdoing and recognizing and tackling local areas issues that go undetected without what's otherwise called issue-situated policing. Increasingly more law requirements, experts are attempting to adjust their police with methodologies to endeavors locally. Stage in the conduct of investigation. The insightful cycle is a movement of exercise or step moving from proof social occasion undertakings to data examination to hypothesis improvement and approvals to shaping sensible ground to accept, lastly to the capture and charge of suspect. How do police recover stolen items? At the point when taken property is recuperated by a police office, it is kept in the police property room until it is referred to whether it will be required as proof at preliminary. In those cases, the police will deliver your assets to you straight away. What happens if you unknowingly buy stolen property? The law necessitates that you intentionally purchase taken product with a purpose to forever deny the proprietor of the property, assuming you did not realize that they were taken. You did not violate the law. Subsequent the returning the products, you can bring a claim for compensation against whoever sold you merchandise. What are the police functions in terms of crime prevention? Police regularly are answerable for keeping everything under control and well-being, upholding the law, and for forestalling, distinguishing, and researching crimes. These capacities are known as policing. Procedure for arresting a criminal. The general rule is that to make an arrest, the police must obtain an arrest warrant. However, if an officer has probable cause to believe that a crime has been committed and there is no time to obtain a warrant, the officer may make a warrantless arrest. What do cops say when arresting someone? The typical warning states, you have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer questions. Anything you say may be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to consult and have attorney before speaking to the police, and to have an attorney present during questioning now or in the future. What is the participation of the police investigator during the prosecution of a case? The police fills in as an analytical associate to the public investigator, despite the fact that it might by start the examination of most violations. The Criminal Procedures Code gives the ability to start and close the examination of wrongdoing in the public investigator. What personality suit of police officer? The top personality traits of police officer are social responsibility and conscientiousness. Police officers score highly on social responsibility, indicating that they desire fair outcomes and have a general concern for others. What are the branches of law enforcement? There are basically three types of law enforcement agencies: local, state, and federal. Local law enforcement agencies include police and sheriff departments. State agencies include the state or highway patrol. Federal agencies include the FBI and the U.S. Secret Service. How many types of police are there? In most states and territories, police forces are divided into civil, unarmed, police unarmed, contingents, civil police staff, police station, conduct investigation, answer routine, compliance, perform traffic duties, and patrol the streets. Which is the highest post in police? The chief of police is the highest ranking officer in the police department. As the general manager or CEO of the police department, the COP or COP is responsible for the planning, administration, and operation of the police department. Thank you, ma'am, and good day.